very big warm welcome to Arlo Racing into Australia and Mount Western Raceway. We're going to look at some customs, both for Fantastic and Road Warriors, and some stocks. The first custom is going into Fantastic, and this is called Don't Be a Jerry, and this is a Rick and Morty super van. The next three customs are for Road Warriors. This one we're looking at is the silver Dodge Charger Drift. Next up is the blue black silver 89 T-Bird Stocker. Good looking car that one is. And the last custom is the silver 93 Ford Mustang LX. Let's go for a test run on MWR. Not a bad run from all those customs heading into Fantastic and Road Warriors. Let's have a quick look at some stock cars. These will be heading into hot rods. And the first one we're looking at is the 99 Ford F-150, the SVT Lightning. Right alongside of him is the red 91 GMC. And a nice purple custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. And the last stock is the 52 Hudson Hornet. Yet again, a very big thank you to Arlo Racing for sending in these wonderful customs and also the stocks for hot rods. So until next time, guys, catch you later.